Welcome to Linda's TV show. If it is your first time of stopping by, you like the channel and the video, please subscribe and put on your notification bell so that you will be able to know when I upload a new video. In this channel, I bring to you information across the globe, what is happening in the world, especially Nigeria. So after watching the video, your opinion, your contribution is highly needed. Do it constructively in the comment section as we are going to watch this video together. Yes, I'm watching it together with you. Then later we'll come to the comment section to discuss about it. Remain blessed as we watch.
To attack me on a post that I made some days ago talking about the Imo State Commissioner that issued a statement. He said, if you are caught as an ESA member, you will be charged for murder case. And I kick against it. And you come for me. Yes. You said that I'm senseless. That why am I not supporting the Niger Delta? Why am I supporting Biafra? That I should leave the Igbo people alone to sort or to solve their problem. Okay. And you said a word. You said that if I'm wiser than Asari Tokubo, if I'm wiser than Uche Menfo and some other people who are into the struggle, you said if I'm wiser than them, okay, no problem, I agree with you. I'm not wiser than them. Then let me start with Asari Tokumbo. You're talking about the Niger Delta. What Niger Delta are you talking about? Tell me the Niger Delta you want me to come and support. When Asari Tokumbo was very active in the militants, I think he was heading a group in the militants. Just ask me the fights that the Niger Delta militants have been fighting for many years, carrying sophisticated weapons, threatening the federal government that they are going to bomb pipeline. Or sometimes they will go and bomb pipeline, they will give them money, they will shut up. What development has the militant brought to the Niger Delta? What development? Tell me one infrastructure. Just tell me one development. Like, you just tell me that the next states that make up the Niger Delta, they are enjoying. They have access to good road. They have access, our mother have access to loan. They have access to good school. They have access to good healthcare center. Just tell me one. No, that is for Asari Tokumbo. I'm done with that. Nothing good will ever come out from them. You are talking about the Niger Delta. When Akpabio, the Minister of NDDC, and the MD, Managing Director, Professor Pondi, when they stole 1.5 billion naira, did the militant write any letter to Godswill Akpabio? Did they write any threats to him? Like, they will just write, just like the way they are writing to federal government. If you don't do this, we'll come and bomb pipeline. Did they write to Akpabio that we are giving you 72 hours to refund that money you stole? Did anybody do that? No, they didn't. And you want me to support the Niger Delta? Fine. Now, you're talking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You said he's a terrorist. Let me tell you, my brother. If you are part of the people who are backing or defending or supporting President Muhammadu Buhari or supporting this administration that lay a statement to declare the IPOB as a terrorist group, that means you yourself, you are a terrorist. Yes, I said it. You are a terrorist. I'm not talking to you, only you, wounded civilian. We have a lot of people like you. We have a lot of people like you. You all are terrorists. Let me ask you. The show will not condemn the President Muhammadu Buhari for declaring the IPOB as a terrorist group. Are you wiser than Showore? Wounded civilian, answer me. Are you wiser than them? Are you wiser than Abaripe, the senator who condemned it, you are more wiser than them. Yes, now. You are very wise. You're talking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is this. It's a terrorist group. It's a thief. What is your problem? If he is eating money from the IPOB, what is your problem? Are they calling you to come and support? Are they calling you to come and support? You are making your math. Are they calling you to come and support? You are talking about... I see, I can tell you that I fought for the liberation of Nigeria. So also I'm going to join the disintegration of Nigeria. I'm saying it openly, without the scare of anybody. We will fight for the disintegration. Those who are sitting down, you don't want to support, go and find a group to support. Instead that you go and join the people who are fighting for revolution. Or you join the people who are fighting for Oduduwa. Or you go and join the people who are fighting for Biafra. You must be part of one. You are not part of anything. You are telling me that I'm for Akoko Edo. You don't even know my state of origin. You are making your math. I'm for this and for that. You don't know my state of origin. From Igara. I'm not for Igara, my brother. And I'm not going to support anything. You want me to come and be supporting Edo? What do you want me to support in Edo State? Should I go and support the PDP governments that have destroyed the state? That have destroyed the failed state called Nigeria for 16 years? Okay, you want me to go and support? Or should I go and support the Niger Delta militants that cannot fight for development for their people? You think it's by carrying gun? You think it's by shouting, I have AK-47, I want to go and shoot with bomb pipeline? Is it by that one? What development have they brought? Okay, you want me to go and do them? You are talking about I'm from Edo State and from this. I know many of you are very angry because I'm not supporting you guys for anything. I'm not the only person who have a platform in diaspora. We have a lot of Edo people. We have a lot of Edo people who have a large platform. Ask me, have they ever supported anything from the same Edo State? Rather, they are using their platform to cause chaos, to cause havoc on social media, insulting people, doing saga. Have you ever called any of them to order? How many of you? What are your aim? What are you guys fighting for? You want to fight for Niger Delta? When militants cannot send a message to Akpabio, is it Buhari that asked Akpabio to go and steal 1.5 billion? Is it Buhari that sent him? Said they declare IPOB a terrorist group. Who declare IPOB a terrorist group? Who is a terrorist? You say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Fine. You might say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't have the rights to go and to form a security network. Since the governors are senseless, you can't be a senseless person and you are ruling intellectual people and you don't want them to speak. That is why he pick up his men and organize a security to secure their territory. Now, you said he doesn't have the right. Then, who give the Fulani right to carry AK-47? Who give the Fulani right? Who the civilian? I'm asking you, who give the Fulani right to go and carry AK-47 and stay inside the bush to guide cow? Who give them rights? Who declared them a terrorist group? Who declared them? Answer me. Who declared them a terrorist group? And you are after people who are fighting for their freedom and for their liberation. You want to come and cause havoc. You are ranting your mouth. Bro, I'm not going to insult you. But I just want to tell you that I cannot be part of any of your struggle. Any of you who is against this movement, any of you who supported the federal government of Nigeria for killing the people in the east and for killing people in the southwest, that means you too, you are a terrorist. So now, with the civilian, I'm declaring you now, you are a terrorist group. Yes, because you have been supporting Buhari for killing the Igbo people. You are a terrorist group. Either they are Igbo or they are... We all are Nigerians. Yes, we all are Nigerians. But because of the failed states, because of the President Muhammadu Buhari administration, it has caused division. It has caused conflict. It has caused pain, frustration for every Nigerian. That is why the people choose to cry for cessation. You are talking about even in the NSAS. What happened in the NSAS? Did you come out to do anything in the NSAS? What did you do in the NSAS? You want to come and tell me who to support or who not to support? I should come and be supporting. Support you. Did you do anything in the NSAS? I'm a one-man battalion. I know what I did in the NSAS. Yes, and I'm proud to say it. And I'm proud to. I can say it anytime, any day. Did you do anything? Go on. Name one thing that you did in the NSAS. You are talking. We should come together. Come together as who? Come together to fight for what? If you want to lead the Niger Delta development, or you want us to have our own sovereignty, then go and face the militants. Tell them to be truthful. Tell them to stop collecting money for the federal government to disgrace their people. They deny their people access of many things. They never give them basic amenities in the Niger Delta states. Did they give them basic amenities? What are the militants doing with AK-47? They are shooting. You want to go and bomb pipeline? You want me? Those are the people you want me to come and support. Or you want me to come and support your Edo people who are here, most of them who are here, using their platform to do nonsense. That is the kind of people you want me to support. Bro, you cannot force me for anything. If you don't like the struggle, close your eye and walk away. Good day.
For always watching Linda's TV show. I will see you again in my next video. Remain blessed. I appreciate each and every one of you, and keep on watching Linda's TV show. If you have not yet subscribed, please, I beg you to do that so that you'll be getting more updates from me. Bye bye.